A few weeks ago I was kindly sent this Mitre saw from Evolution Tools. They were after an honest review of the saw, and as luck would have it I needed one for my new workshop build, so it was perfect timing. As well as an honest review, I was asked to cut a variety of materials to see how well the multi-blade would cope. So in this video I wanted to show exactly what Evolution Tools have sent, how it arrives in the box, and a brief look at assembling the saw as it arrives in several parts that need putting together. Then to see the saw in action and to get my honest thoughts, my next upload on the channel will be part 4 of building my new workshop, where I'll be showing the saw in use as part of a full project build.